Hello guys, today in this video I am going to demonstrate how we can transfer data from one component to other component. So as you can see here, I have created few files here. The first one is the parent, what is opened right here. Second one is child, and third one is child2. So we will see how we can pass data from parent to the child or to the second child, or in the same way if we can create more child. Okay, and I have called this parent inside this dashboard. So you can see here this parent is called here, and I have imported for that this parent. Okay, so now let me pass the data, and to pass the data I have created here one variable, as you can see, and this variable I have passed here into the child, and I have imported here child, and I have passed that to the child, and inside child you can see this is a data attribute, and inside data I have passed this string data here. Okay, and as it is that TypeScript code, therefore I have to like define the variable like this. Okay, and initialize as well. So as you can see, now data is passed to the child. So let's move to child here. Inside child you can see I have created or added here a console to see, okay, the message, and here you can see I have used or passed the same data to child2. Okay, so now this data is accessed here, child2, and you can see here how I am accessing the data. I have created here props, so whatever I will send from this parent here inside the data, it will be accessed like this props, and we can access it like props dot data. Okay, so always remember, if here I have created data, then I need to add data with dot. Okay, and in the same way I have accessed here, and it is passed to child2. Okay, so and it can be seen here. So let me create one more child so that we can see. So let me first run this project. Okay, then we will create one more child. So let me do here on start to run the project. So now it may take few seconds to start or to run the development server, and it will run on the default port, which is 3000. So now you can see the server is started and it is running very well. So what I will do now, I will just click on here dashboard, and you can see here on the dashboard there are many things which is printed in here. So the first thing is printed here, parent. So let's check from where it is being printed. So let me go to the parent here, and you can see here inside the parent I have written or mentioned here the parent string. So it is printing the parent, and at the second line I have called child here and passed the data inside the child. So it will go to child component, and here it will again print this line first. This is a child. So let me go again into the browser, and you can see second line is this is child, and inside the child at the second line I have accessed child2 component, and inside that I have passed the same data what I have received from the parent. So now I will go to child2, and you can see here it is first printed child2, and then it has printed the data what I have received from the parent to child2. Okay, means by using the child component as well. Okay, then finally it has printed child like data in the child2. So then you can see after this is child, it has printed this is child2, and then finally it has printed this message, hello, this is parent, which is passed from parent. Okay, this is the actual message what I am passing from parent to child, and from child to child2, and in child2. So let me add one more component so we can understand better. So let me add here child3.tsx. okay, and here again I am going to copy the code here. Okay, and I will paste it here, and here I need not to add this or add a log. Okay, then I will put here this, and here you can see I have passed means accessed the prop, but here I am not passing anything to the prop. So you can see I have not right now called the child3. So let me call here child 3. Okay, and let me add here an import child 3. I need to make it as caps, and from here I will call or import child 3. So now you can see child 3 has been imported, but I have not passed any data here. So let me go to browser to check what is currently happening. So you can see it has called child 3, right? And this you can see it is still printing because this is printing from this line. Okay, and now in the child 3 here it has not reached actually. In props.data it is, and defined it is empty right now because I have not passed anything or any data to child 3. So to pass the data to child 3 I will add here data. I can put anything. So okay, I need not to add here dot. Okay, actually I need to pass the curly braces. So I'll always remember that whenever you are going to pass the variable or use the variable inside this HTML line of kind of code, then definitely you must need to use curly braces. And inside that I am going to use props dot data because I am accessing the data inside this. So now you can see this has been passed to child 3, and inside child 3 it will be printed again. So you can see this has been printed from child 2 and this is printed from child 3. Okay, this is also from child 3 component. Okay, so now suppose I do not want to put here data, I have passed here suppose props. Okay, so now you can see it will not print. Okay, you can see inside child 3 only this is child 3 is printed, but there is no data inside this. So how we can access that data? Okay, but I have just passed, so I need to call this or copy the props, and also I need to put here props. So now you can see this has printed again here. This is okay. So always keep in mind that whenever you are going to pass here, whatever you are going to put here, the property name or attribute name, then using the same property you need to access here the data. Okay, so like this you can pass data from parent to child, or child to another child, or another child. Okay, so if you want to pass the data from parent to the last child, or suppose I am having 10 number of component in the within a parent, okay, or passing the data from parent to 10th child, then it will be very difficult to manage. Okay, so for that we will see how we can pass the data without using multiple or without using the props system. Okay, to pass the data. Okay, so that is all guys in this video. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.